Today I want to talk about the industry disruptor, cloud-based brokerage, eXp Realty. And by chance, if you're watching this, you probably have done some research looking at eXp Realty. So whether you're looking at transferring to there as your brokerage, or maybe you're looking to start your real estate career as a new agent at eXp Realty. So what I want to do today is break down the different streams of income that you have here at eXp Realty, unlike a traditional brokerage where you pretty much only have your commission. So I want to show you how you can build a solid real estate business and career here at eXp Realty and find out of all of the amazing agent-centric options that you can take a part of. Hey everybody, it's me, Jacob Shireman, your real estate marketing expert. I have over 17 years of marketing experience specializing in web design and SEO, and I take that experience to help you grow your real estate business. So if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release new content. And if you'd like to get my training, resources, coaching, and courses for free at no extra cost or split to you, take a look at partnering with me at eXp Realty inside the Agent Wolfpack. And there's a link below where you can book a one-on-one call with me to learn more. So let's dive into today's topic. All right, so today we're talking about eXp Realty, and eXp Realty is a cloud-based brokerage, and it is an industry disruptor. It is one of the fastest growing brokerages in the world and is the largest independently owned brokerage in the world as well. And eXp is just a great agent-centric brokerage model. But one of the things I want to focus on, a part of this business model, is about the multiple streams of income. Because one of the things that you've heard me talk about, if you're at a traditional brokerage, you're pretty much a self-employed real estate agent. You don't have a traditional business. Yes, you might be registered as a business, but at the end of the day, if you're not out there making commissions, you are the business. You don't have any money coming in. But a true business, the owner can step back and still make money. So just like how a broker can take time off and the agents will be out there selling, they have a true real estate business. But at eXp, they allow you to do that without becoming a broker, carrying this huge overhead. They take care of everything for them, and then they give you multiple ways to earn income. So what I want to do is break down all of the income streams that you have at eXp. And the great thing is they're always adding more. And I'm just going to cover some of the most important ones so that way you can make an educated guess on whether eXp is right for you. And if you want to learn more about eXp, feel free to book that call with me. It's not a pushy sales call. You can take a look at all of the amazing things that you not only get from my group, but also from being in the Wolfpack as well with Mike Sherrard. So if you want to learn more about that, click that link below and book that one-on-one call with me. I don't care if you're a new agent, part-time agent, full-time agent, whether you are a seasoned agent or you have your own real estate team or brokerage, we can partner with you here at eXp and truly help you grow your real estate business. So go click that link below and let's talk one-on-one. So I'm going to break down each one of these and show you all of the amazing ways that you can earn income here at eXp Realty. All right, so one of the first ways that you can earn income at eXp Realty, just like any brokerage, is through your commission. So every time you have a transaction, whether that's a sale transaction or a lease, you can get paid. So right here, stateside, we are on 80-20 split. So that means you walk away with 80% of the eligible commission and eXp keeps 20%. Then once you cap, we have a $16,000 cap. So that means you paid in $16,000 of commission out of that 20% that you give eXp. Once you cap, then you go to 100% and take home that. And then you have a $250 transaction fee after that. So you can earn commissions just like any brokerage. And this is one of the biggest ways to earn income at eXp Realty. Another way to earn income at eXp Realty is through referrals. We have a referral division here, and you can actually get paid to refer somebody to another agent. So a good example is I have a client here in Houston. They're looking to sell their home and they want to relocate to Mexico. Okay, I could sell their home here and refer them to another eXp agent in Mexico. Because we're a global brokerage in 23 countries, I can refer them to another eXp agent wherever we are as a brokerage. So once I refer them, that client buys a home, I can get a referral fee. Standard is usually 25%. It is negotiable. So I can get paid for that referral business that I sent when it closes. So you can actually build a great business here. There are a lot of agents too at eXp that come over that don't want to sell real estate. They just tend to refer out a lot of real estate, and they want some of the benefits with being at eXp Realty, which is some of the things we're going to talk about. But I have people that come and they're just as a referral partner. So they have their license, they're with eXp, but they literally just refer out the business. They can't do real estate transactions. And I've seen some people have six-figure businesses because they know how to get leads and know how to refer that to another agent. So this is a great way to build additional revenue. Plus that's extra work that you didn't have to do while you're focusing with your clients. You could have referrals out there making you money and kind of being like passive income. Another way you can earn money here at eXp, and this is not quite out yet, but it is launching here very soon, and that's called My Link, My Lead. So this falls kind of under the referral type business, but let's say you have friends and family throughout the world and you want to let them know that you're in real estate. You can actually send them directly to eXp's website. You'll have a link. It's kind of almost like an affiliate link ID. And if somebody goes to eXp Realty's main website and they search for properties and they end up getting linked up with an eXp agent, you can get paid a referral commission because they used your link to find a property and choose an agent in their area. So this is a great way to publicize that link and get paid for referral transactions as well, kind of like an affiliate. So this program is not out yet, but it is launching here very soon, hopefully by second quarter. And so it is just another reason that eXp is an agent-centric brokerage, always trying to give us additional streams of income. So another way that you can earn money on the transaction side is through various services like Utility Connect, America's Preferred Home Warranty. And these are extra services that eXp promotes that allow you to get some extra money on the transaction side. So for example, Utility Connect is a concierge program that just helps your clients be able to transfer their existing services or find better price services in their area. So for example, if you have a client that's relocating, like here in Texas, we can actually choose our electric provider. So maybe they need electricity, internet, phone, and they need a security system. Well, you can have them talk to this concierge and they will find the best plan for them. And if they sign up with any new plans, you can get paid a commission on that. And on my transactions, I average anywhere from $100 to $250, depending on what my client signs up with. And then America's Preferred Home Warranty, you can earn up to a $50 referral fee by just referring somebody for the home warranty. So there's all kinds of programs like this that just help you get a little bit more on that transaction to help you make as much money as you can with eXp Realty. So another great way to earn income here at eXp Realty is through the equity ownership and stock program. And this is great because we become owners in the company by receiving stock with EXPI or eXp World Holdings. And this is great because this is what makes eXp Realty truly a great brokerage model and agent centric, is because we're majority owned by the real estate agents. And I don't know of any other brokerage out there doing that. So some ways that you can earn stock and get free money essentially is on your first transaction inside of your anniversary year, you can get $200 in stock. So every year when you reset that first transaction that you do, you can get $200. If you cap, so that means whatever the cap is in your area. So in the United States, it's 16,000. Once you reach cap, you can get $400 as well. Let's say you refer an agent to the company and that agent comes aboard and does their very first transaction, you can make $400 off of that as well. And then if you go on to be an icon agent, so let's say you capped and then you went on to do an additional 20 deals, you would be considered what they call an icon agent, a top producer, and you can get almost all of your $16,000 cap back. You would get $8,000 immediately. And then there's cultural requirements where you can earn the other $8,000 back as well. So I don't know of any other company that's doing that, that is allowing agents to participate in ownership of the company. And on top of that, there's also a program where you can take 5% of your commission from each transaction and they will purchase stock on your behalf at a 10% discount. So just another way to constantly be saving to build up ownership in the company that hopefully that stock will grow over time. Obviously nothing's guaranteed, but it's just a way to build your net worth, build your retirement income, and actually have a true exit strategy at eXp Realty. All right, and one of the last ones that I want to cover today, which is what most people probably understand about eXp, but they have a misunderstanding about that, and that is the revenue share model. This is truly passive income. This is one of the biggest reasons that I came to eXp, because this is what allows you to truly have a real estate business where you are making money regardless whether you are having a down month in sales or you want to take time off. You know, I've said before, we've had some emergencies in our family and it's allowed me to take off a month, and I know that my car payment, my cell phone bill, my mortgage payment and things are still going to get paid even though I'm not out in the field as well. And that's through the revenue share model. There's other models similar to this, like at Keller Williams, and I've done other videos on this where they do profit sharing, but we know there's very little profit at the end of the year, especially when most brokerages are in the red anyway. So this allows us to get revenue right off the top before eXp even pays their bills. One of the things that I love about eXp is that 20% that you give them until you cap, or whatever it is in your area or in your country, we get paid out of that percentage. So their goal is out of that 20% that they're getting for revenue from the transaction, they're going to take 50% of that and give it back to the agents who participate in revenue share and that are actually helping them bring agents into the company to grow it. Right now, we're over 90,000 agents strong. So you're not limited to just your territory. That's what's great about having this global brokerage versus being at a franchise brokerage. I can actually attract agents globally, refer them to the company, just like you're doing watching this video today. And the great thing is there's so much opportunity to still do that because only about 12% of the 90,000 agents that eXp have actually participate in rev share. So one of the great things too is I told you about that pledge for 50%. If eXp does not make their 50% goal, let's say they only paid out 40%, well, they take that extra 10% and divide it between everybody. So they always pay out 50%. And I don't know of any company that's out there doing that. So an example of rev share would be, let's say I bring in Johnny, he comes into eXp, he does a transaction, which is key. They have to produce and they make a transaction. Let's say it's $10,000 eligible commission. I can get paid around $350 for that commission, okay? Now, let's say that Johnny brought in an agent, okay? And then their agent makes a transaction. So Johnny would get that $350. So we're using 10,000 because it's easy numbers. I would get $400 because I get paid a little more for my second level. And I can do that up to 7 layers deep. And it's a great rev share model because what I love about it is the second and seventh layers pay the most. So I got to help not only my agents that are direct to me produce and grow and succeed, but I need to help their agents as well. So that way this organization works well together. And this is one thing that makes eXp great, especially on the equity ownership side and with the rev share, is that because we have this kind of model where if everybody wins, we all win. Well, that just helps for great collaboration and everybody wants to see the company do well. So for me, I have agents in California, Texas, New York, New Jersey, Florida, Ohio, all kinds of places all over, other countries, Canada as well. I have people from Dubai looking, Mexico. So we're growing globally here and we're helping the company grow, but I'm also building a passive stream of income. And what I love about the rev share model here is that if something happens to me, I can dedicate and leave that rev share to somebody else. The only thing they need to get within an 18-month period is their real estate license. In any country, any state, wherever, they just have to hold a real estate license and they can receive my rev share and go in my place and nothing will change. They can grow it or just leave it the same. So you can leave that to a spouse, your kids, your grandkids, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, whoever, your business partner, you can leave that rev share to them. And I don't know of any other company that's doing that. Most companies would just take that over and collect the money themselves, but not eXp because they're an agent-centric brokerage model. And because of that, with the rev share, we truly have a business now. Like when I told you I had to take time off for a family emergency, well, guess what? I had agents out there that were still, making money during that rough holiday time for my family. And guess what? We were able to survive. We didn't have to worry about our business. So this is just a great way to collaborate globally, build a business, and truly have an exit strategy for real estate agents instead of just expiring. And you have a true real estate business instead of being self-employed. employed. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, you have any concerns, one, leave them down in the comments below, or you can book a one-on-one call with me to learn more. Remember, we have amazing resources here for new agents, experienced agents, teams, brokers, anybody that's looking to partner with me at eXp Realty, on top of all the amazing training that eXp has. And if you want to learn more about that, book a one-on-one call with me to learn how you can get all of my things, all of the things in the Agent Wolf Pack for free at no extra cost or split to you. So book that link, talk to me. It's not a pushy sales call. I want to show you what your business would look like here at eXp Realty. And again, if you want to keep seeing content like this, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.